Hey y'all, I'm coming to you from my studio, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an amazing little Halloween globe or little fortune teller globe using just these three things. Some from the Dollar Tree and some from Home Depot. Let's get started. You're going to get this little Dollar Tree $1.25 projector. It's like a little projector that projects Halloween stuff in your ceiling or whatever. $1.25. It doesn't come with batteries. But it's still super cheap and it projects a lot in the sky. You're going to need this globe. It comes from Home Depot. You can get some at Lowe's, but the Lowe's ones, the opening isn't big enough. So you're going to need to get the ones from Home Depot. Because the opening is wide enough. And then you're going to need to get some decals. Oh, little ghosts. These little ghosts are so cute and they make me so happy. So the first thing you're going to do is weed your little ghosts. So you're going to start your vinyl and you're going to pull your back stuff off. Then you're going to take your popping pin and you're just going to go in, and it kind of feels like you're gouging out its little eyes. So you kind of feel bad for these little ghosts. Kind of feel bad for these little guys, but you gotta do what you gotta do. And you're just gonna get their little eyes out. So you're gonna be, and the only thing that you're gonna have to weed in this is their eyes. Which some of them are teeny tiny. So excuse me. Alright. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take this little wrappy majeppy off. Okay. But sometimes it's more problematic than you think. Okay. Then you're going to take your little ghosts, and usually I would recommend transfer tape. But today, because they're just little bitty ghosts, you don't need it. You could just take them off like they're stickers and just place them all around. You probably won't even need all of them. You're just going to need a few of them. And I say, place them in different directions. You can also zhuzh this up in a couple of different ways. You can put rhinestones all around this. You can put little bones all around this. You can put any decals you want. I just chose little spooky ghosts, because that's what I was feeling today. So, I almost ripped that guy's head off. Alright, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your globe and you're going to place it, carefully on your lamp. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to put a little ring of hot glue around your little globe. Okay? Go around it. Ring around the globe. Alright? Then you're going to take your globe and put it on down. And just let it hold for a few minutes. Really not that long. Then, carefully, because it's a little cold, Alexa, turn off the spider lights. And then you have yourself a wicked cool fortune teller globe. Ha ha ha. Oh, don't forget to take the little sticker off the side. Which of course I didn't do right away, but it came off real easy. So see? Super easy, super quick, and amazingly fun little fortune teller globe. I hope you learned a little bit from this. I hope this was an easy craft for you to make. Y'all have a great day. Be good to everybody. Bye, y'all.